the quadrilaterals that are labeled. Select all the quadrilaterals that are scale copies of the unlabeled rectangle. Explain how do you know. Okay, so I see a grid, so I have to measure this rectangle. So this is 2 units, 4 units, 2 units, 4 units, okay? So I could definitely scratch out A, and I could definitely scratch out F. And if you refer back to lesson 1 of this lesson, we don't, slanted copies are not considered scale copies, okay? So I want to look for a rectangle or a quadrilateral that satisfy this ratio, 4:2. Okay? So this is 1, this is 2. If I simplify this ratio to the original rectangle, I should get 1:2, so D checks off. Now when I look at B, I see 3. Then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. Okay. Is there something I could multiply the original ratio by to get 3 and 8 on both sides? No, there is not. So this one would not be considered a scale copy. Now moving on to C. C is 3 as well, going right here. And then this side is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this one is 3 to 6. Now there's not any number I could multiply. Well, there is a number I could multiply 4 by and 2 by to get to 3 to 6. But let's try division for this one. Can I simplify this to get to 1:2? So I want to get this side to 1, and what can I divide 3 by to get to 1? I could divide 3 by 3, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So it's going to be 1 to 2. So this one is considered a scale copy. Now, E is 2, 4, 2, 4. And even though it shows an exact copy, it still would be considered a scale copy. And then on G, it says 2, 5, 2, 5. And judging from the original rectangle, this is wider, and this would not be considered a scale copy. Now let's look at H. H is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is 4, 8, 4, 8. And judging from the original ratio, is there something that I can multiply 2 by to get the 4? And that is absolutely correct. I can multiply both sides by 2. Since they're multiplied by both the same number, which would be considered the scale factor, it is a scale copy. So if this question was on your test, you would put copies D or C, D, E, and H are scaled copies. Okay, so at home, I want to challenge you to create a scale copy of this rectangle on some graph paper at home, guys. Good luck on that test today.